Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this easy dinner, chicken quarters. So this is pretty easy to make. So I've cleaned 3 chicken quarters. So just there, right there, washed and cleaned. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna marinate this, but I'm going to just stir them a little, just create some, just give them a little stirring. For the marinade, I'm adding 1 small onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, paprika, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon, and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Some lemon juice, just half a lemon juice, some oil, about a tablespoon, bell pepper, about a quarter for bell pepper, well, now I'm going to just close and blend this. Alright guys, I'm just going to pour the marinade on top of the chicken and marinate this. Just marinate. Alright guys, I'm going to marinate this for an hour and then I'll come back and put in the oven. I'm cooking in the oven for about 60 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you how this looks. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is cover this with a foil and then cook for 1 hour with the foil, and then I'll cook for an extra 10 minutes with the foil removed. So 60 minutes with the foil, and then remove the foil and cook for an extra 10 minutes without the foil. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, now I'm going to cook without the foil on until it's nice and golden brown. Look at that. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that. So now I've got the chicken cooked and I've got the sauce also. So this is such an easy recipe guys, and look at here, I've got the sauce. So I've got my sauce, I've got my chicken cooked. There you have that.